This demonstration presents the IDC Medical 2S13 kit. This kit is supplied vacuum sealed to protect its contents and ensure all components remain intact until use. For the purposes of this demonstration, soup will be used to represent a biohazard spill, allowing us to show how effectively the kit manages cleanup on both hard, flat surfaces and carpeted areas. Disclaimer: before cleaning up any spill, make sure the affected person is okay and receiving the proper care. Once that is done, you can begin the cleanup process. Begin by setting up the bag as shown, folding it downwards to ensure that nothing contaminated comes into contact with the outside while you are cleaning the spill. This is the most important part of the process. At no stage should the outside of the disposal bag be touched with contaminated gloves or any other contaminated item. After each product in the kit is used, place it directly into the bag before moving on to the next step. The next step is to gear up by putting on the gloves, followed by the apron, and then the mask and visor as shown. The protective equipment is essential to ensure that the spill does not contaminate you. Next, apply the absorbent powder, which is completely non-toxic. Begin by sprinkling it around the edges of the spill to contain it, then over the top until the spill is fully covered, using as much as is required. Once the powder is applied, odours are eliminated immediately. Leave this in place for a minimum of 2 minutes. While waiting the 2 minutes, take this time to form up your tray and scooper. This is how you will be picking up your spill. Once 2 minutes have passed, the powder will have fully absorbed the spill and you can now use your tray and scooper to get it into the clinical waste bag. As you can see, this works well on both surfaces. Use your cloth and a little bit of water to wipe away the remaining powder. If needed, you can then use the alcohol swab provided in your kit to wipe down your surface. After everything has been cleaned up and placed in the bag, take off your mask and apron first, placing them in the bag. Then unfold the top of the bag before finally taking off your gloves and placing them inside. Everything you have used in your cleanup is now safely inside the bag. Use the cable tie provided to tie up the bag. The ZeoMed powder has eliminated any odours, so the bag will have no smell. Finally, dispose of the bag at your nearest convenience. That is the kit. Quick and easy, managing biohazard spills in a matter of minutes.